everybody. I'm Josh Becker, Bakery and Confectionery Segment Manager for Harpak-Ulma Packaging. Harpak-Ulma is a leading packaging equipment supplier for the food, medical device, and non-food industries. We specialize in horizontal flow wrapping, thermoforming, and vertical bagging as our primary packaging solutions for the baking and confectionery industry, as well as automated feeding systems to our primary packaging solutions, and full secondary and tertiary automated solutions to take your products from the cooler or freezer all the way to the end-of-line palletization. We are very excited to welcome you to our booth at Pack Expo Chicago 2024, booth number 4736 in the North Hall. We will be highlighting one of our newest innovations, the FR400 Twin, a compact, high-output horizontal flow wrapper. Essentially two machines in one frame, capable of a total output of up to 1,400 packages per minute. This Industry 4.0 smart connected machine comes standard with Rockwell Automation Controls package. You won't want to miss it. Also, for the baking industry, we are highlighting a robotic case packing cell for packaged tortillas, along with one of our vertical baggers with the patented tight bag technology, a thermoforming machine for your extended shelf life modified atmosphere packages, and our line of Mondini tray sealers. The role of packaging is becoming increasingly important in the baking and confectionery segment. Stop by our booth and talk to me or one of our staff members, and we can show you how advanced packaging technologies can help you drive down costs and improve throughput to give you that competitive advantage. So come by the North Hall, booth 4736 at Pack Expo Chicago 2024, and let's chat.